Do harvesting here, guys. Yung kale namin, oh, ang dami kaming kale ngayon. Wait, baby. Ampalaya leaves. We can go some. It's winter na. Ito yung aming harvest for winter. And we have some onion and kale. Wait, babes, wait. Ano dito, guys? Mayroon pa rin kaming mga kamatis, oh. Kahit winter na, mayroon pa rin kaming mga tanim. Okay, guys, we have some kale here. Look at the kale. Kale are very good in winter during the winter season. Look at them. They are more delicious. Taste delicious. Look at our kale. Can you imagine, guys? 4 pieces of leaves only is about $1.99 organic. But if it is not organic, something like 6 to 7 leaves, 99 cents. But this is organic. This is from our garden. Yep. From our garden. I'm so excited to plant again. Okay. We have plant sweet potato tops. Naabutan siya ng ano, guys. Naabutan siya ng taglamig. Hindi siya nagano. But anyway, grass over there, and hopefully there are so many turmeric roots, so we can harvest that. Many things over there, guys. Let us see here, baby. Yeah, that's the turmeric. This is the turmeric. Yeah. Stand up here, baby. Stand up. Yan. That's our